Hey all, how's it going? Today I'm going to be looking at this new Makita bit holder. This is a impact gold bit holder. Say impact gold here. It's a Makita ultramagnetic torsion insert bit holder. New innovation. It's 3 inches long. You can see it's magnetic. And it's one piece. Manufactured for impact drivers. Now here it says 2 times stronger magnet. Stronger than what? Maybe it means just stronger than the regular bit holder, but that's not clear there. Let's see what we got here. It says insert bit holder into tool. Pull holder off sleeve. That's the blue piece. Insert bit. Slide holder back on sleeve. Attach screw for one-handed fastening. I don't get it. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's up. Yeah. Let me use a knife so I can just cut around the thing so I don't ruin my instructions, huh? Like I need instructions, huh? Alright. Here we go. First out of the package. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, let's follow the instructions. I don't have an impact driver yet, so I'm just going to have to do it with my thing here. My screwdriver. So we stick it on there. Now we can yank it off. There we go. Now let's insert a bit. Let's see what that looks like, huh? Looks like it just takes a regular short bit. So let's get our bits out. Get a regular Phillips head. See what's up. Number 2 Phillips. Okay, and got a number 2 Phillips here. We're going to stick that on like it said. Now it's already not coming out. So I don't know what the deal is for this thing. So now we're going to stick this back on. I don't get it. How does this help hold the screw on any better? I don't get it. Oh, okay. Looks like it comes up to meet the screw and hold it flat instead of wobbly like on the regular bit. I don't know. That's what it seems like anyway. I don't know. I have a lot of questions about this one. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. This is strange, huh? It does hold it pretty good. And I guess when you pull off, your bit doesn't come out either. So it's nice and strong. Seems pretty decent. Like pulling the screw off, it's hard. And as soon as you put it on, listen for the click. Right. Hear it? So that's this popping up to meet the head of the screw and hold it on better instead of just by the bit. So I guess this little magnet around here, around this circle, is what we're looking at. Interesting, I must say. How about we try to drive a couple small screws into a piece of wood, huh? We get a piece of wood. If I got one. Yeah, I got some over here. I know that's not what you normally do with screws. It's for sheetrock. But we'll try it anyway. Into a piece of wood. Let's try with a small screw. So let's try that. Yeah, it's pretty neat how it stays. I said that's pretty neat. Works good with sheetrock screws and stuff, flathead screws. Pretty good. Let me see what else I got around here. We could stick on here. Let's see if I got another little screw over here. Yeah, let's see what we got. Got a little round head screw here. And let's see, a little computer size screw. Another round head. Yeah, let's try these couple screws here. Alright, so some screws people might use. Maybe not. It's a regular round head machine screw. Not machine screw, sheet metal screw. So that didn't suck it up, but when I pushed it up, that made it nice. And this is a brand new bit too. I should have tried a used bit that had more wear on it. Try another one here. Yeah, so that's pretty good holding power. I'm kind of liking this thing. So here's a regular computer screw. You know, hold your cards on and stuff. Sometimes you need it. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like perfect. Well, I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm kind of liking this new bit holder. I'm going to be keeping it on my screwdriver here. Because they're never magnetic enough. Especially, you know, I don't know. The old ones, like, they got a shitty magnet in them. And someone never thought to put a good magnet in them yet. So Makita, kudos to Makita for doing it. This is called the ultramagnetic torsion insert bit holder. Okay, that's from the Impact Gold series. We're going to be looking for that. I already did a video on this Mag Boost Extreme, the one that you just put over your screwdriver bit. It's a little bit different, and if you needed something, what do you call it, like a long bit, then this is probably better. This is for screws that are going to be right here on a short bit. Like if you're going to use a long screwdriver bit, this is not for that. This is for the screw to be held on by this magnet on the outside here. See it? It holds on pretty tight too. Watch. See it? Pretty neat. Alright guys. Guess that does it for this video. Just wanted to see what this was all about. Now I know why this I thought this was just like a plastic holder on the outside, not realizing that this was a magnet on the outside that comes up to meet the screw and hold it onto the bit, which is pretty amazing. I should try a different bit, huh? Let's try the thinner Phillips bit. Oh man, hard to get this out of here already. Alright, let's try the thinner Phillips bit with a finer screw, or even one of the screws I already got up there. Let's see. Yeah, here's a fine Phillips. Here's a fine Phillips head. Number 0. Let's put that on, like the instructions say. Put this on. Alright, now let's see if we put on one of these small screws, what happens. Not as good, see? Not as good. It's pulling the screw crooked. So it worked better actually with the other bit, or maybe this is not the right bit for that screw. Alright, it worked for that one. Yeah, this is just not the right bit for this screw here. This is for a bigger Phillips bit, you could say. Anyway, interesting. Thank you guys for bearing with me while we did this. I'll leave a link for you guys down the bottom. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video informative or useful. And we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to leave comments. Thank you.